Hey you guys, my name is James Diaz, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Like a Rolling Stone by Bob Dylan on the guitar. Let's get started. We're going to go over all the chords, then we'll go over a strumming pattern, and then I'll play the first verse and the chorus just so you can kind of see where the chords go and how everything works together. So, the chords for the intro, there's two chords. It's a C and an F. That's it for the intro. And then you're going to go into the verse. The chords for all of the verses are exactly the same. You're going to start with a C to a D minor to an E minor, then to an F and a G. And those are the chords for all of the verses. Then you go into basically like the pre-chorus, the you used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out, and those chords, it's going to be an F to a G, then you're going to do that again, an F to a G, then you're going to play an F, an E minor, a D minor, and a C. Do that one more time, an F, an E minor, a D minor, and a C, and then you're gonna play a D minor, an F, scrounging for your next meal, to a G, and you go into the chorus, how does it feel? And it's gonna be a C, an F, and a G for the chorus, and that's it. How does it feel? How does it feel? For the instrumental, the harmonica part, it's the same chords, C, F, G, as the chorus. Those are all the chords that you need to know for this song. So let's go over the strumming pattern you could use. The strumming pattern you can use for this whole song is going to be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. So down, down, up, up, down, 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 down. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to play the first verse and the chorus just so you can see where all these chords go. Once upon a time, you're just so fine, through the bumps of down, in the grind, didn't you? People call, say you were tall, you're bound to fall, you thought they were all kidding you. Then you go into the you used to laugh. You used to go into the harmonical instrumental there. It's just the C, the F, and the G. Those are all the chords you need to know. That's the strumming pattern that you need. If you guys want to check out my guitar, the link is in the description below. This is a Taylor GS Mini. It's made out of koa wood, which is pretty cool. I got elixir strings on the guitar, and it sounds really great. Check this out. That is the main reason that I bought this guitar. I walked into Guitar Center and I saw it and I was just like, man, it's beautiful. Picked it up, started playing it. I was like, man, it sounds beautiful. So I bought it. One of the cool things about a GS Mini is obviously that it is smaller. So check this out. Ow. This is a regular guitar. This is a Taylor GS Mini. It's a lot smaller. Look at that. Look at it. Size difference. You see that? Did you see that? Have you ever seen that before? This guitar is so nice. It's easier to play if you have smaller hands or chubby fingers or something like that because it is smaller. but it sounds amazing because Taylor is incredible. That's the reason why they're one of the best guitar creating companies on planet Earth. It's also electronic. I don't know if you care about that. You can plug it into an amp. I don't know if that means anything to you or not. Fun size, travel size. The Sabrina Carpenter of guitars. I got a bunch of other stuff down there. I got chords, interfaces, guitar picks, strings, my favorite guitar picks, microphones if you're into the singing and you want to make a cover or something, capos, all of that junk is in the description below if you want to check it out. It's there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this helped you, and I will see you in another one.